Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Subnautica. I'm a self-prodigy, and I had ran into a problem, and for some reason my save file was deleted or was not saved at all, so I had to restart from where I left off. So I did a little bit of getting back to where we were at before, and I think I have just enough for the mobile vehicle bay. Yeah, let's go. And there goes the sea glide. We should probably get that next. That is definitely something we want. Definitely getting some oxygen tanks. We're gonna definitely need that. We get 2 oxygen tanks actually. Copper wire. Alright. Let's get these titanium made. Let me see. What was it? We need battery, copper wire. I guess we can make the copper wire now. So all we need left is battery and lubricant. I can make the lubricant now too, actually. Literally says lubricant. Nice. Nice. Alright, what was it? A battery? Battery. Alright, let's go pick out 2 acid mushrooms real quick. Chop. Ah! I honestly have. Oh, yeah, that hurt. Nope. I just wanted some shrooms. Some mushrooms. Alright, there we go, our battery. Then there goes the sea glide. Oh god damn. The sea glide takes a lot of space. Alright, let's turn some of that titanium to ingots. I got any food? There's a current generator. I guess we can try the vehicle out. I'm trying to get on it. God. Okay. Okay. Oh, I need to get some. Oh god, I'm crashing like I don't like the sound of that. Oh god, what is that? Oh god. What the hell just happened? What? Oh god, I was going so crazy, I don't know what happened. Oh, what did I lose? Hopefully nothing too important. Well, that was awkward. Alright, back to using this. I guess we need to scatter for some more quartz. That's salt.
Warning, 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Go, go, go. Which is, now I gotta figure out how to recharge these suckers. Oh, those crap. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, it's dead now.
Warning, 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
God damn it. These bastards.
Emergency, 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Dive, dive, dive. Oh, that is not pretty. I'm gonna do it. He doesn't know what hit him. Man, finding these rocks are a pain in the butt just to find some copper ore. Is that a sand shark? Oh, inventory is full, seriously? It's definitely full. Hey there, hey there. Ah! Where'd he go? Hey, hey,
Warning,
hey, hey.
30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Ow! Oh crap, he's still chasing. Yeah. Sounds like a mad dog. Well, where's the can? Okay, I need to get some.
Emergency, 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Oh man. If this isn't creepy, I don't know what is then. Get some lubricant since we're here. Oh dang it, inventory's full, I forgot about that. I'm coming! I'm coming, escape pod! Oh, no, there we go.
New creature discovered.
Take some water. Some more titanium. Not a lot. Okay, let's get the ingots going. Alright. Okay, there's our bleach. Lubricant, magnesium there. Anchor. guess let's make a habitat builder, computer chip and battery. Alright, use some coral. Crap, it's dark. Oh my god, it comes with light. Does this count as coral? Oh, there we go. Oh man, this is better than a flashlight. Oh, am I in my boat? I mean, am I in escape pod? Alright. Let's see, do we got it? Do we got enough? What did I need? A battery, right? Computer chip and a battery. Okay, a computer chip. There goes a battery. Okay. Table coral sample. Was that not table coral? Oh, that's common coral. Makes perfect sense. Makes perfect sense. Oh. Now you gotta get me looking for table. The hell? Oh. Oh, nope, don't like the sound of that. Oh, maybe this is it? Yep, this is it. This is it, guys. I found it. Oh, let's pick up. I think two should be good. Let's go! It's so fancy. Computer chip. Oh, what the hell? Alright, computer chip. Yeah, let me put this away, just like in the way. Habitat builder. Alright. We can finally create things. Oh, heck yeah. Is there a foundation? Where's the foundation? For titanium. Okay, I think I left a couple in the inventory. Nope, I didn't left anything. I really just only have 3. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? This sucks. Oh, come on. Alright. Alright. Let's go find out, I need to figure out how to charge these things too, actually. Ooh, I need some food. I need some food. I feel like I'm about to throw him. Oh man, these guys are so hard to catch. Even come on, go. Come on. God damn it. Where'd he go? You bastard. Okay, I got him. Let me get one more. Nope, if I can. Oh, nope, I didn't. Alright, okay. Ooh, I need to hurry up and charge these too.
Warning, 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Holy crap, explosions. No, I need quartz, I need scrap metals. It's the day again. Oh, the lag. The lag is real. Oh, well, oh, okay. Game's still early development, guys. Oh. Oh, this is some shallow water. I guess pick up more. Oh. Nope, inventory is full. Alright, back we go. I gotta figure out how to charge this sucker. Literally have like 8% left. Is there something I can put on a wall or something? No? No? Okay.
New creature discovered.
Make me some food. Fabricator can cook me up some good food. I'm cooking me up peppers. That's not strange at all. Give me some water. Okay. I'm gonna eat some food before I go back in. Okay, I'm good on it. Oh wow, really? The water just went down already? That's crazy. Do I need a new battery to charge that? I'm assuming. I can go. I guess I could pick up some mushrooms when it's still bright. Really don't want to build my base over here, but I might have to. I guess I put it right there on top of that. It makes some strange noise. Okay. No. Oh, I guess I'll figure it out soon. For now, let's build our foundation right on top of this, just because we're badass. Oh, game, what you doing to me? Oh, okay. Okay. That looks pretty cool. Okay. Let's build. Gotta build a corridor. Got to build a corridor. Oh, let me go get some more rope.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
How do we connect the walls together? Ah. Oh man, I don't have any more glass. Oh, okay, so you just got a battery and you click R when it runs out. That is really convenient. Gotta pick more parts. I don't know why I made a silicone. I need... Son of a gun. I bet you those looks. Yep, I knew it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh, the jukes. The jukes was real. Oh, this is so much faster, guys. Let's get a little foundation going on. Oh yeah, got everything set up now. Oh god, that sounds terrifying. Alright, build some glass, get some more titanium. More titanium. More titanium. We're gonna use a lot of titanium in this game, apparently. Oh, a lot of titanium. You get an aquarium too, that's cool. Oh, that looks beautiful. I should build it. Oh, I should build it going towards there so I can get some solar for energy. Good idea, good idea. Alright, let's get some water. It's so hard to adjust it correctly. God dang it. I can build it on top of that? That's freaking awesome. How do I build it? Come on, I had it earlier. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ooh. Okay. I think we could build one more. Okay, guys. We got our whole little platform going on. I should make this come on this side, I guess would be great. There we go. Okay. I would like to make it fancy and get all glass instead, because I think that would look nice. So we're gonna do that. Go find some glass, some quartz for some glass. Oh man, guys, we're pimping out our base. We're pimping it out. Let's go. If I can find it.
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Did not pay attention to that at all. Oh man, where the quartz are at now when I'm looking for them? Oh, shut up. You're so loud. Later on in the game, we can go buy some sea moth. Oh, did not grab that, did I? Sand. Alright, some more. Oh, inventory's full, darn. Is there anything I can throw out? Is there anything I can throw away? No, these are all useful stuff. It's getting nighttime. Let's go build the glass. Oh god. Oh wait, let's build a fabricator in there so I don't move too far away from it. That'd be the smarter thing to do. Okay, there we go. Oh, but we still need power. Darn it. Darn it, I thought I had a good idea too. Well, it was a good idea, I just forgot about the power. Alright, change these to titanium. More titanium. Where's this? Change a whole bunch of glass. Gonna need to make it a corridor. All glass like an aquarium. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Nope, don't have any fishies with me. These terrible, terrible maps. Alright guys, let's go make those real quick. I thought it was getting dark. Why is it? Okay, that's awkward. Alright, let's make this door, shall we? Oh man, uses glass that much? Holy crap. Well guys, we can I guess we can end it to we can oh no, I don't want to deconstruct that. Oh, that was an accident. Okay, let me take this away. Alright guys, look at that, just beautiful. Scary but beautiful. Alright guys, we're gonna end it here today. Oh, catch. Oh, that's definitely not safe proof. Oh, and it's flooding. It's flooding. Oh my god, what did you just do? What the hell did I just do? My dumb ass. Oh my god. Is there any way I can fit? Oh wait, I can go out maybe and close it in? Oh, come on. I just got this to work. No? Can I fix it? Okay, let me deconstruct this. To try to construct this. Nope, it's just gone. Okay, let's deconstruct the whole thing. And then, ooh, it's dark. I reconstruct the whole thing again. I think I just broke the game. Okay. Let's just get a regular basic corridor then. Okay.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
I guess it is forever broken on this side.
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Well, guys, we're gonna leave it here for today. Awkward. I just totally destroyed my base already. And I just got it. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and comment. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm a Prodigy, and I'm out.